Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make super smooth timeline animation in CapCut Mobile. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Import your video or image and place it on the timeline. Tap on the clip you want to animate, then tap Animation at the bottom of the screen. Select Keyframe. Move the playhead to the start of the clip and tap the diamond icon to add the first keyframe. Now move the playhead forward 0.5 to 1 second. Change the position, scale, rotation, or opacity of the clip to create movement. CapCut will automatically add a new keyframe. You can add more keyframes by moving the playhead and adjusting the clip for smooth motion. For super smooth results, keep the movement slow and steady. You can also adjust the speed curve by tapping on the keyframes. Preview the animation by playing the timeline and make small adjustments if needed. Once satisfied, export the video. That's it. This is how you can create super smooth timeline animation in CapCut Mobile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.